Hi, my name is Afiq.
Hi, my name is Sulfi.
Hi, my name is Nasrul.
Hi, my name is Masara. So today, our first objective is to determine sustainability of the machine.
Second, to determine safety in the workshop.
Third one is sustainability in the workshop.
And last but not least is safety on the machine. Okay, we have 3 safety concerns, and the first one is wear personal protective equipment. Okay, as you can see, the first one is Google, second is jacket, and the third one is boots. If you enter the workshop, you must have wear a full protection. So this is the example for full protection to enter the workshop.
The second safety concern is using protective shield and shield around the leg. We use the protective shield is to prevent the flying chip going to our face, especially our eyes. Using the protective guard is to prevent the flying chip going to our face, especially our eyes, and that because we should use the Google. And this guard around the left to prevent our do the accident. And for your information, this guard has a sensor that if we don't close it, the machine will not operate.
Hey, what are you doing, bro?
Wait! The third safety concern is awareness of your work zone.
There are 3 safety issues that may occur in this workshop. Follow me. This is not suitable for this workshop. As you can see, he wear lanyard outside the jacket, safety jacket.
Second one, you need to wear your eye protection. If you don't wear the eye protection, the flying chips can get in your eyes.
Last but not least, this is the example of safety issues. We should don't make distraction or interrupt our friend while they're doing their work. Because it's likely to cause an accident.
Another 3 potential hazard is noise damage. You can hear anything and you will lose focus.
There are few impacts that will being for student, workers, environment, and around the workshop. So the first one is academic performance and mental health. It can prolong exposure to stress, poor posture, and repetitive trend in workshop. It also can impact to concentration and low academic performance.
Second, for worker, it will impact their job satisfaction and productivity. It will be unsafe condition, high stress environment, and reduce their morale. And last but not least, it will leading to the higher turnover.
Lastly, impact on environment is industrial workshop produce waste material. If not managed properly, can lead to environment pollution. To solve this, dispose of these materials in an environmental conscious way helps prevent water and soil contamination.
There are 3 comprehensive, actionable and solutions with solid explanation. Number 1 is to install an automatic suction and filtration system to immediately remove metal chips from the cutting area and filter airborne particles. Second, to install an RFID based automatic locking system that stops the machine if the operator is too close to hazardous area or if their closing get caught. Last but not least is install automated retrieval barriers around hazardous work zones. These barriers should be equipped with motion sensor that detect nearby movement and automatically deploy to restrict access to the area when a lathe machine or other equipment is in operation.
For solution number 1, factories and machinery. 1967. Regulation 17, protection from flying particle, ensure that machine producing hazard particle are equipped with guard or suction system and automatic suction system. Enhance this regulation by providing better protection than conventional method. For solution number 2, OSHA 1994 Section 15 requires employers to protect workers from hazard including risk of entanglement with moving part, and automatic locking system with RFID is a proactive measure to prevent such accident.
For solution 3 is Factory and Machinery Act 1997 FMA 1967. Regulation 16 restrict access to hazardous zones, requires clear demarcation and restrict access to hazardous area, which automate barriers fulfill effectively.
To conclude our case study today, let's recap back and reflect our main objective today. Also, let's prioritize safety, consistent calibration and regular maintenance to enhance efficiency. For future workshop, consider investing in more advanced training and updated technology to maximize productivity and reduce downtime. That's all for our group. Goodbye.